In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple AI-powered automation flow in Activepieces using OpenAI. We're going to build a basic workflow that starts with a trigger, sends information to ChatGPT, and then uses that response in another step. This is a great way to automate repetitive tasks like summarizing feedback, drafting messages, or preparing content for your team. To begin, open Activepieces and create a new flow. The first thing you need is a trigger, which is what starts the automation. For this example, choose a simple trigger such as a new row being added in Google Sheets. This works well when you want the flow to react automatically every time new information is entered into a spreadsheet. Once you connect the trigger and select the right sheet, make sure the sample data is coming through correctly because that data will be used in the next steps. Next, add a new action step to the flow. Search for the OpenAI piece and choose the action called Ask ChatGPT. This is the step where your AI response will be generated. After selecting it, you'll be able to enter the prompt that tells ChatGPT what to do with the incoming data. Now it's time to engineer the prompt. This is one of the most important parts of the workflow because the quality of the response depends heavily on how clearly you instruct the model. Instead of writing a generic prompt, insert dynamic tokens from the previous step so the AI can work with real data from your trigger. For example, you might write something like, summarize this feedback, followed by the token from your spreadsheet field. Using dynamic values makes the flow flexible since it will process new content each time it runs without needing manual updates. As you build the prompt, keep it specific and direct. If you want a summary, say that clearly. If you want to rewrite a classification or a polished message, describe the exact outcome you need. Clear prompting helps reduce inconsistent results and makes your automation more reliable. Once that's done, test the flow and review the output from the OpenAI step. Make sure the response looks the way you want before sending it anywhere else. After that, map the AI response into a downstream piece such as Slack or Gmail. This allows the generated content to be posted to a channel or sent as an email automatically. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the flow live, and that's it. You now have a working AI automation in Activepieces that can take incoming data, process it with ChatGPT, and send the result exactly where it needs to go.